بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Madam Chair, viewers and listeners, members of the press, good morning, welcome back to our day. Without further ado, I have the honor to yield the floor to Madam Chair for our next item on our today's agenda. Madam Chair, over to you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will call on Sila to lead us in Muslim prayers and Honorable Joyner to lead us in Christian prayers. Thank you.
إن الذين قالوا ربنا لا ظلم استهاموا أن لا تعفوا ولا تحسنوا وأبصروا بالجنة التي كنتم تعدون الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تستهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون نزلا من غفور رحيم ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والخاتم لما سبق النازل الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thank you for sparing our lives to see another awesome day. We are grateful for the healing and strength of all those who are sick. Release your healing balm and guild upon us, Lord. Continue to abide with us now and forevermore. Amen.
Mr. Witness, before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters, may I remind you that you are still under oath?
Mr. Cham, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome back.
Thank you.
Council in the Commission, probably. May we recognize may he introduce himself?
Mr. Gay, your mics are playing off. Mr. Fati, good afternoon. Do you wish to address the Commission? We can hear you. You can proceed, Councillor.
Good morning, Madam Chairperson and the councillors involved in this Commission of Inquiry. Is a witness and has been summoned inquiry today. So I represent Mr. Cham. Of this Commission of Inquiry rules. Madam Chair, we proceed. I wish to apply and but my client intends to address this Commission of Inquiry. Wants to, if he may be indulged to be able to do so.
To address the Commission.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. I respect the work of this Commission, and I am also a witness to this Commission. In fact, more than 7 times. What happened lately was not by intention. You will recall that I have provided a lot of evidence, a lot of information. But thank you.
Mr. Cham. Council, do you wish to further address the court?
Chair, based on my instructions, may be adjudged to be interfering or impeding the work to be, well, but he informed me that he's appeared before this commission on numerous occasions, and therefore he really recognizes the work of Constitution and statute. What I can only, and rightly so, recognize in where appropriate, conduct that may have fallen witnesses are concerned in giving testimony. Perhaps if the commission can deal perhaps lenient and reasonable manner, because the commission's mandate, the primary interest of the commission this time could have been utilized dealing with opinions. Cham is before this honorable commission. Lastly, thank also giving me the opportunity to, even though it's providing to, but give me the opportunity to address this honorable commission on behalf of Mr. Cham. Thank you so much.
To say that me and my team, as the council and the councils, we are not averse to the application of client Jaya Cham. The idea that Mr. Cham is very useful to the commission is, can I say that he has been given evidence that are also helpful to the commission, and ourselves with the application of the parties, council, and the client, to say that showing really respect for the commission at this very important.
Application made by counsel for the witness, by the witness himself. I hereby vacate the order. In the same vein, the referral is also hereby suspended. Now, that this is the spirit, Mr. Council Fati, of the Commission, and we will not, and the work of the Commission, we will not hesitate to apply what the law has provided for. This is a commission of inquiry, and inquiry should have a level of decor and understanding that it is set up by law. It is indeed difficult for people to add on to, you understand, the order I have already. So on that note, Mr. Cham, you are free to go.
Thank you.
And thank you for the support and the help you have given the commission. All right?
Thank you.
Thank you. No more issue. We would allow you to leave.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Commissioners of Council. We appreciate.
So, in any case, Mr. Cham, you needed to bring us some certain documents, but the legislature.
Yes, Madam Chairperson, I also want to inform the Commission. I've been deployed as CEO. So
all right, you will liaise with the registrar.
Okay.
On any further issues that we want you to clarify for us.
we want to rearrange our witnesses.
Could deal with the witnesses that will appear after lunch.
All rise.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Can you speak the mic?
Okay, yeah.
Welcome to this Commission of Testimony. Do you, yes, do you wish to Quran or make an affirmation?
What do you mean?
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation? It's working.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Madam Chair, the witness wishes to swear by. Okay. Hold the Holy Quran and
I,
Aliu Cham,
Aliu Cham,
do swear that
do swear that
I'll speak
the truth.
so help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness to for us to proceed.
You're welcome. Council, can we proceed?
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson and Honorable Commissioners.
Aliu Cham,
Mr. Cham, your occupation?
my
Your occupation.
business.
Business.
Yeah.
Now we have a particular payment that you probably have received. But before that, do you recall giving a statement?
Yeah.
Go through that statement by the investigators. Have you gone through the statement? And the statement of the witness, Aliu Cham, 1st of August 2024, into exhibit.
Reading your statement?
Yeah, I was reading it.
I thought you had something else that you were reading underneath. AMC/001.
In 2015 to 2020, where were you working at?
Law firm.
I mean, Ben Sudan Co. Law Firm. And what was the capacity of Ben Sudan Co. between 2015 to 2020? Do you recall this? Payments received from KMC between, it is in relation to Joanna Hall, who and eventually moved to KMC, and KMC had an undertaking to pay out.
Okay, this was a check that I collected. On the check, as I recall, Bensouda's name was written.
Yes.
So normally at ABNCO we do that race where KMC and Gamcel, they are both our clients. It was normal for KMC to pay the check in the amount when it is cleared. So in this case, I cannot recall since it's a long time, because normally, if automatically send the check to Gamcel so that they can deposit it in their account.
All the amount in the check?
154,000.
Was it a one-time payment that you have received from, and the letter from Ami Bensouda & Co. Corporate Legal and Legal Services LP? Please speak into the microphone.
Yeah, a copy of the check.
Copy of the check.
Yeah, it's attached.
What is the check number?
Check number is 2035.
Crossed and Gamcel was written. Made subsequently to Gamcel?
Yes.
Who effected that payment? But you were the accountant at the time. Who would have made payment to Gamcel if there was? For the record, when was this? Which year? A letter from ABNCO and a check as identified by the witness received from KMC into evidence as an exhibit.
Two reference numbers. Reference number generated from the system, but letter attached. The letter is dated the 12th of March, B/L1/010/AAB/L/02, and it is they are marked as LGC/A.
As the Commission places. Now,
let me take the PA is Ami Bensouda & Co. in 363-1921, and the description in the payment voucher is being payment of commitment on Joanna Hall's liability with B/L/02, and it is addressed to the Chief Executive Officer, and the attention is Sheriff Njai, Director of Finance, and the subject is in brackets 1/KMC/002.
as the Commission places. Now, had it occurred to you by ABNCO?
No.
Dated the 19th from Trust Bank, 7th of 18?
Yeah, I started there 2015 up to 2020. 21st March 2019.
Please, Register, may I please have the first voucher, the exhibit? Amount?
54,000.
On the 21st March 2019, $154,000. That was already paid. Another amount of $154,000 is that was already been recovered by. I understand.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get the facts out. What is the date of the check?
Amount is 54,000.
$54,000. Everything has already been paid in March 2019, correct?
Yeah.
So it wouldn't have.
Yeah.
Because you work as a debt recovery officer as well from ABNCO. Do you see that letter?
Yeah.
With version number PV1819218A, dated 21st of March 2019. Accompanying the voucher is a KMC Letter addressed to the General Manager by Joanna Hall. Signed by Joanna Hall into evidence as an exhibit.
A voucher dated the 21st of March, and they are marked as LGC/AC in brackets 1/KMC/003.
Now, did you verify whether payments were received to officer for ABN Co?
Been aware of the first payment, the payee. So in my capacity as a debt recovery officer, I received instruction from Arise. I'll include it in my list of receivable debt recoveries that I am aware of. The other voucher, I'm not aware of it.
To join in ABN Co, you said you joined in 2015, correct?
Yeah.
So in 20, with the heading bond fee liability to KMC, addressed to GAMSA institution and currently Director of Finance of Council. Hall is informed management that she has a bond fee liability of 104,000 to GAMSA. Indeed, very grateful to your management for allowing her to serve us again. So the parties are. Now we have a receipt, the date 22nd of Company Limited, which confirms, and the same 2014, we have the check, the receipt, and you please tell us what you make out of it. What is the date of the receipt?
2014.
2014.
Yeah.
And what does the receipt indicate? And what was the $100,000 for? It was liability of?
Joanna Hall.
Liability on behalf of Joanna Hall.
Yeah.
Now, already for the liability of Joanna Hall, before subsequent payments as well. Are you surprised by that?
Been done by the administration.
Mr. Cham, and is there a question for you for today?
Cham, for coming. And in the event that we need you to further clarify the next witness.
Good afternoon. And two, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters, may
afternoon, Mr. Fofana.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. Mr. Director of Internal Audit for KMC.
Yes.
Which year were you employed? We please have you increase your voice.
Sorry.
2007.
Payments that we want you to shed light on. Joanna Hall's liabilities from, at the time she worked with GAMCEL. We will show you, it's already in evidence that you can identify. It bears the start. It's dated to the 1st of March 2019. The voucher number is PV1819218. The date is 21st of March 2019. Please have a look at that voucher. Is your answer yes for the two vouchers? Mr. Fofana, is the answer yes?
Yes, sorry.
That you recognize these two vouchers?
Yes, I recognize the two vouchers.
Point and was employed by KMC?
Yes.
But before that, now, what can you tell us about
I endorsed that myself. The other one, it came and it was endorsed by my total amount is 154,000. I think this is on the part of the audit an oversight, duplicating, signing the same. It was not the same person who signed it. He signed separately. The other one, I signed separately. I think this has shown that I think there is need for audit. Always, it can help us to detect such duplications. Because payment coming in, they can check their system, and they also have the opportunity maybe to check whether there is any also.
You don't have a database. Why is it that you don't have a database? Is there any reason why?
We need any support from the administration in terms of
Yes, because there was no database, so it was probably difficult to.
Yes.
Let me have the vouchers so that I will guide you through the payment. So the accountant voucher, the one with the 103. It indicates that in 2014, GAMS $100,000 from KMC towards the liabilities of Joanna Hall, and I will show you this. The cash receipt number is in 2018 for $54,000, which would have already exhausted of May 2019. We have a letter which states, and I read, we represent Gambia Telecommunications Cellular Company and our Mohammed B. So, on 9th of July 2018, in connection to the above subject matter. As discussed, the Council had made a commitment in the sum of $154,000 and contained in a letter dated 13th of January 2014. This follows the transfer of the employment of a copy of the said letter from the Council to GAMCEL, as well as a receipt of $100,000. And so what was outstanding going by this voucher and the details.
Yes, I've seen.
You confirm the letter as I have read it?
Yeah, the letter indicates that 100,000 was paid and 54,000 was remaining as the. Yes.
Now the second voucher has also. Date is 12th of March 2019. It reads, attention, we refer to our letter dated the 10th of July 2018 in connection to the above subject matter. $4,000 and contained in a letter dated the 13th of outstanding will be settled as quickly as possible. Again, another letter in
2019.
Another letter we have in March 2019.
Sorry, excuse me.
The ABN Co received full payment, correct?
Yes.
But in 2019, they wrote another letter, and it's signed by ABN Sudan Co. And based on that, we have a trust bank. Let me show you.
Yes, I've seen it.
Does this confirm that there appears to be a double payment made to towards the liability of Joanna Howell? When you approve the second voucher, I know your director has said that you have no database, but when we hear
these particular payments, the two payments, if you read them, the one with the 54,000 shows the part payment was made, and now the balance of 54 should be 154,000 for payments. Definitely, that's a big oversight on me. But
other issues.
Sorry, can I come?
Yes.
After this, when I saw this first payment, these payments, we have the capacity to do that. So he contacted the Sirivia finance director for us to make sure that with the finance manager, but payments, but he still nothing has been done to recover.
Are there any questions for?
Yes, I do have one.
Register.
Register the vouchers as and when you receive them.
No, we don't.
Call the other parties that are involved in this. ABN Co.
For Mr. Fofana.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question number PV190246, each for hiring of a grader. Can you?
Grader for the dump site or the roads console?
Gravel for feeder roads of two different communities within the KMC. That I'm referring to here with you is PV1902. Mr. Fofana,
yes,
we will it's taking the, when you come back, we will want to deal with this because this is contained in your clarification on this, on the issues of these two vouchers.
Okay.
Whether there was no double payment made on this 480,000. All right? The remaining vouchers.
Yes, thank you. I believe Commissioner John has a question.
Yes.
Right.
So, we will call you when we need you to clarify. For sure, Mr. Fofana, you will clarify some issues for us on your statement and some of the vouchers that we have gone through. Registrar, can you call the next witness, please?
Honorable Chairperson, that's our last witness for today. We and his deputy. We decided to call them at the same time and match their evidence.